Awesome job. Let's go on the next question. Okay, so what happened when light wave enters the new medium at an angle? So remember this thing. When light wave enter in a medium at an angle, then only it will change the direction. So here in this is like air. It's slow medium. Sorry, faster medium. This is slow medium. In the air, will go with the direction, with some direction, some angle. Then its direction will change. Now you come here. It's a little slow medium. From slow medium to the air, faster medium, again is changing the direction. So remember this thing always. Wave need to go in the medium at certain angle. If you will put the wave directly, like we did in that laser experiment, when the person was putting that laser light directly straight, then what was happening? It was changing the speed. When it was changing in that from there, it was changing the speed, but no angle change. But when he was putting the laser light at certain angle, then it was tilting. So we will rewatch that video, so don't worry about it. So here what is happening? Some light is going from faster medium to the slower medium. So speed is slowing down, but again is going from slower medium to faster medium, is again getting faster, right? Let's go on that one and you will learn more. Why it doesn't move? Okay, to understand further, I'm going to use car analogy. So this is a smooth pavement and here is muddy surface. So when a car is coming on high speed at certain angle, remember this, and here is again normal, is coming at certain angle and it enters to the muddy surface, the front wheel of the car. What they will slow down. But what happened to the back wheel of the car? They will not. They will be on that speed only. So that, because they are faster, they are slower, that make them to rotate them. So it will bend towards the normal. So it will bend towards the normal because the front wheel are slowed down, but the back wheel are still not. The same thing was in the wave here. Like here I was saying that on the bottom part it touching faster first, so it will slow down. The top part is not. The same thing is in the car. The front wheel are slowing down, the back wheel are not, and that's what is turns towards the imaginary line, that is our normal. So that's what it bends a little. Now take further understanding. When a car is going on fast speed but straight, like I explained to you, when it's going on fast speed and from the smooth medium to the slow medium, the car's speed is changing, it's slowing down, but what? The angle is not changing, it's not bending. So here angle is changed, direction is slowing down and direction of the car is also changing. So there are two things in refraction. It should be at the angle. It should land on the medium at certain angle. It should be change in the medium one to another and it changed the direction. To understand further, let's see how much you have learned about that. There is a question. When a wave enters a new medium at an angle, then the wave will do what? It's at an angle. It's not straight. Okay, this is not working. Okay, it's working. Okay, when I move at an angle, what happens? Same direction or change the direction? It will change the direction. That's right. Good job. Now, another question is here. Okay, when a light wave enters a new medium straight at 90 degrees, now it's going straight like a car. You remember the car was going straight, or laser light, which we watched going down straight. So what happens? Let's see. That's right, it continues in the same direction. Good job, kiddo. Now let's talk about what is refraction. So we learned that what is refraction. Refraction is bending of ray for sure, but bending happens only when light ray passes at an angle from one medium to another. It's important, it should be at angle. So when it goes from one medium to another, the speed changes. It may be faster, it may be slower. In my example, in both examples which I showed in a demo, the speed was slowing down. So that's what. Now watch this video again which I was talking about and see, figure it out what is happening here. So I'm going faster. So see, it's changing the direction. Now it is a straight. So nothing is. Now he's putting it straight. Let me move it a little bit faster here. Forward. Okay, no, it's not working like this. So it will go. So it's not bending when he was keeping it straight. That's what I wanted to tell you. All right. So we have more questions. Let's go next. So choose all the example of refraction. So what is refraction? You already know. All right, perfect. Awesome job. So all the examples were refractions except one, that is reflection. We will learn about it next time. The ducky should be straight down there, but it's going bending towards the back side. Here also in the block, the light is changing like I showed the example. Let's go on the next one. So it's the refraction effect. Now you can see from here, the cat is sitting on the pile. So cat is looking at the fish, right? It's here, but it seems to like it's here. So cat is thinking the fish is very close to the water surface, but it's not because of refraction. Here on the opposite side, fish is thinking the cat is far away, but it's not because see, the medium is changing from denser, like slower medium to faster medium. Light speed is faster, right? It's going from this medium to that medium but from slow medium to faster medium very fast. So speed is changing, but here speed is slowing down, so it looks like very close. Now I have a question for you guys. While standing on a rock next to the lake, a hunter sees a fish at position A. Where should the hunter throw the spear in order to catch the fish? So where he should throw? Here, here, or here? Let's see in the next question. All right, B. Okay, if you think so, let me go back. So he sees is here, right? The hunter sees a fish at A position, but basically it goes away, right? It looks closer, but it's not. It's far away. It should be on B. Good guess. Good guess. Good job. Now we have certain example, and you may have seen these in everyday life. So first example is refraction as a prism. The second example is a diamond, rainbow. These are the example of a refraction. Do you have any more example? Can you think of? Yes, very good. Star, because the light of the star is coming to the atmosphere, and there are different layers of the atmosphere. So it's going on different speed in different atmosphere. So that's a good. What's next? Anyone? Another idea? Yeah, I have some slides to show you guys. Okay, I think now it's not here. Yep, I do have. Okay, I have some examples here. We talked about these twinkling stars. Then there are some ice crystals. See, there is also, it's because of the refraction. The angle is changing from the normal to their side because it's going from lighter medium to denser medium and then again lighter medium. This mirage, you always sight on the hot road. So, and now the sun that appears slightly flattened when close to the horizon due to refraction in the atmosphere. There is another example, lenses and glasses. Refraction is used by lenses to form an image of an object for many different purposes such as magnification, and is also used in my glasses like I'm using. They are also may have used that refraction. Prism, we already talked about. Pickle jar, yes, when in the pickle jar, if there is some pickle inside, if you will see from outside, it will look big size pickle, but it's not. When you will take the pickles out, they will say, oh, they are smaller, and it's because the size looks bigger because of the refraction. All right, so now you make your final model. If you have any another question, please feel free to ask, but make the final model and then we will come back. Okay, so now I have only 3 questions to ask you guys before ending the class. What is refraction? Is a bending of light, reflection of light, or absorption of light? Good. The bending of light. Very good. The refraction occurs when the speed of light changes or the amplitude of light changes. Awesome job. The speed of the light changes. Can you give 2 examples of refraction? Diamond, that's right. Rainbow, perfect. Keep giving yes, good job. You remember everything. Yes, you can see in surrounding more examples. That's great. So now you have homework. You will be doing these vocabulary. We need these vocabulary. Like normal, I didn't talk much about the normal. I will talk more about normal and angle tomorrow. Okay, you will do all the vocabulary, and tomorrow we will touch a little bit reflection. So we will do vocabulary as a homework. It's important because we are going to learn about the reflection, and we will touch some basis of refraction about the angle and how far it is going and how close it is. Okay, so good to go. If you have any question, feel free to ask. All right, bye.